Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to allow people, how to manage allowing people to share your content on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, go to your Instagram account, click here on your profile section, and then go to these three lines, and then go to this sharing and reuse, click on it. So as you see here, we have this allow people to share your content. So here you can manage this section, posts and reels to stories. So if you want to turn this on just like this or off, stories and messages and reposts on posts and reels. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.